Welcome to PFTV. Mfethu beekeeper. Not 0-0 overall. Losing a penalty. What went wrong today?
Mfethu lesibingelele kumabhakani sibingelele inkabini zami hayi bafowethu igame bafowethu sidliwe lokho akushintsha akujiki ku Nedbank si out yeah so kuningi esingakubala singabalandeli ngokuhlukahlukana kwembono you understand yeah but as for me now into ebalulekile ukuthi accept ukuthi sidliwe siphumile asiphumanga sodwa sijoin abanye sijoin abanye but indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili siyibuzile indlela ephunywa kanjani sayithola kumasandawane sayithola kolamlamo so sonke siphumile and into engayisho kini mabhakaniya for now ukuthi nifocus entweni positive ake nifocus entweni enayo niyeke eseniluzile into engayisho inkabuzami nine calling knockout nine M108 nakwiligi nisasekhona egemini so for now relaxani bafethu ukukhombana ukuthi lona lo angeke usisize lokho but ngibonga nje ukuthi mabhakani yami nisebenze kusakhanya for this season already season iqalile yes siphumile la but already sinama trophy awu2 is unlike abanye yeah mina ngifuna ukutshela mfethu even nathi season iyavalwa namhlanje sina something esicountayo you understand yeah kumhluku khona kukomnandi but anyway ibhola njalo mfethu it's a win uyawina uyaluza uyaluza so sidliwe.
So you know losing for you won't win every game, vele. That's being realistic. And then for 2080, sinabola mthuthu. Let's keep inhliziyo man.
Lobola mthuthu vele ayikho enyenza kanjani. Makhuluma nge2080 mfethu ungakhuluma ngathi ukhuluma ngento yakudala. Ukhuluma ngento nje sibala amalanga mfethu akusafuneki necalculate. Sibala nje amalanga sifika kubo labo, you understand? Yeah, ulamlami iwona-ke sizobhodlela kuwo ya but nje into engayisho mabhakani yami akufanga muntu siphume ekapini bafethu and siphume ekapini ngisasho namanje sinamakhapha awu2 amanye amathima wanawo iSundowns njengoba iphumile nje ayinalutho thina sina 2 abanye abanalutho you understand so ake sicheckeni bafethu ukuthi siphethene esandleni yeah asifani nolamlamo olamlamo abanalutho abanayo ngisho iLegend Cup abanayo ngisho yilo unye kwekhupha thina mfethu siphethe into esemazingeni you understand bafethu siye FNB Saturday siyonyathela laba bantu siyobhaya ulamlamo kabuhlungabi mina mfethu ngasepthile nje fast masiqala nje siya ku extra time ngeza ukuthi no content zakayo la zithe mazi yakumapenalty ayibese seni right yeah so mabhakani ayingaboli inyama ishisana inyama Brian man
thanks mabhakani that's beekeeper